Hey everybody, welcome to the Creativity Cave. I'm Dina Rico and I'm so excited to share with you a super simple card that I created featuring the Beautiful Balloons bundle. I've got some awesome tips and tricks to help to make this card awesome, and we're going to stamp it in a different color combination. The possibilities are endless with this card to switch up colors, and I think you'll find that it's a super easy and fun card to create. So let me get started. I'm using the Beautiful Balloons bundle. This is part of our Bright and Beautiful suite that is the topic for this month's All-Star Video Class bundle. Now you can get this awesome PDF for free with a $50 purchase in my online store this month, or you can purchase it for $15, and I'll have a link to the description of this video to show you how to do that. All right, now let's get started with our card pieces. I've got a half a sheet of cardstock that I'm going to fold. This is our thick white cardstock. All the supplies I'm using, by the way, are listed in the description of this video. Then I'm going to take a I think it's 2.5. Yes, 2.5 by 3 3/4 inch piece of basic white, and we're going to stamp on here. I'm using the little balloon. In our stamp set, there's 3 mostly solid balloons, and this is the littlest one. And what I really love, by the way, about this stamp set is the sentiments in it are not, there is a birthday, but they're also kind of just general celebration sentiments, so that if you have something else that you're celebrating, you can most certainly create with this set. Now, my sample card features Coastal Cabana, Lemon Lime Twist, and Daffodil Delight. And this is a really fun, cheerful color combination, but I thought I would switch it up and do kind of a more pink and cheerful. So that's like blue and yellow. This is pink and orange. So for this, I'm going to start with some Flirty Flamingo ink. And I'm going to start with my sentiment. I will stamp that in some black Memento ink, and I am using the birthday sentiment, but you can do So Thrilled for You in its place if you have a different celebration to celebrate. Things like retirements, a job promotion, graduations, then you can just customize this with the colors of the school or whatever colors are appropriate for the occasion. Okay, so I'm going to start with my first balloon, which is Flirty Flamingo. And then I'm going to quick clean this. I've got a little Stampin' Scrub here. I'm going to next use some, Melon Mambo ink, and then I'll finish up with some Pumpkin Pie. And I love this technique too because you can overlap those balloons and they're going to look fantastic. And then I'll set this last one kind of down here. Now I wanted to add the balloon strings, but I thought if I did it in black, that would really kind of mess up the sentiment. So instead, I'm going to do Smoky Slate. This is kind of a light gray, and I love the look. Now I'm flipping my little string with each stamping so that they don't all look exactly the same. And there we have it. And that is super cute. All right, I'll set this aside for a moment. And then I'm going to stamp the background of my card. I recommend having a piece of paper underneath to protect your work surface because we're going to go off the edge a little bit. Now I've got my little streamer image on my cardstock here, or on my block, pardon me. And I'm going to stamp this on my cardstock. So I'll start with a solid right here. Now I'm going to carefully realign this, and you can see like right here and right here is where I went off the edge of my card. And I want to make sure that that little line doesn't show up on the next stamping of this. So I'm not going to re-ink. I'm just going to instead stamp this once again with the stamped off remaining ink, which is a little lighter, like that. And I love the look of it. Okay, I'm going to stamp this, or I'm going to clean this on my Stampin' Scrub, and then I'm going to ink it up again with some, actually I'm going to, well, I'll do only orange, or pumpkin pie. Oh my gosh, only orange is a really old color. Okay, so I'll stamp that. You can see I'm leaving some space, and I'm going to ink this up and then stamp off a layer of the ink. And we'll add it right here like that. And then in between, I'm going to add my Melon Mambo. Now note, I did get some ink on my block, and so I like to kind of clean that off as well, so I don't accidentally like rock it onto my card, because that would make me so frustrated after I've made all these wonderful streamers. Now you can kind of crisscross the colors as well on here. And then we'll ink up one final time and stamp off a layer and add this on like so. Oh, so much fun. Now I will show you, I did make a sample where I went all the way down with the streamers, and this is what it looks like. I thought it was a bit much, so I decided to hold back and only do some of the streamers down my card, because it just got a little too busy, and I wanted to make sure the focus was on how fun this card was, not how busy the background was. Okay, I didn't want my recipient to be like, whoa! I wanted him to be like, wow! You know, there's a difference. It's a fine line. Okay, so I've adhered this to a 2 5/8 by 3 7/8 inch piece of black cardstock. I'm going to flip this over and pop it up onto my card, and then we'll embellish with some of my favorite embellishments, which are the iridescent rhinestones. Okay, and this is just so fun and easy. Get my take your pick tool. Don't worry, I'm going to close all those ink pads. I know there's some of you out there going, oh my gosh, Dina. All right, so we'll put a couple of these on here like this, and then I'll add a few more to my card in the background, which is just so fun, like that. All right, so I hope you've loved these 2 cards. Give me a comment and let me know which color combo is your favorite, the yellow and blue and green or the pink and orange version. Also, if you like this video, the thumbs up would just rock my world. The YouTube sure likes it when you like my videos. And don't forget, if you would like to purchase any of the supplies that I used today to make this card, you can do so in my online store and earn the PDF featuring 12 amazing video tutorials for free. If you'd like to purchase this, you can. By the way, the measurements come in both English and metric units for whichever kind of cardstock that you use. And so it's a really wonderful tutorial, and the projects are awesome. So thank you so much, friends. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.